1.
Recharge your cell phone in 20 seconds. Waiting for hours a cell phone to charge may become a thing of the past, thanks to Isha Khare's invention. Her device could charge a cell phone in 20 seconds. Yes, 20 seconds. Isha Khare is 18 years old from Saratoga, California. She took part in the Intel International Science and Engineering at Phoenix last week, a tiny device that can charge cell phone batteries created using nanotechnology was honored as one of the two winners. Her device is small, black, rectangular shaped. Isha said, I developed a new super capacitor, which is basically an energy storage device which can hold a lot of energy in small amount of volume. She also said that the technology may also be able to speed up charging of automobile batteries. According to Intel, more than 1,500 young scientists from around the world were chosen to compete in last week's fair. According to Intel, the award includes a 50,000 prize that will come in handy with when Khare's head to Harvard in the fall. The other winner of Young Scientist Award with Khare was Henry Lynn of Louisiana, who received a prize of 50,000 for stimulating thousands of clusters of galaxies to allow scientists to better understand the mysteries of astrophysics, dark matter, dark energy, and the balance of heat and cooling in the universe's most massive object. At the topmost prize went to 11 years old of Romania, who used artificial intellect to create a visible model for a low-cost self-driving car, according to an Intel statement. He received the Jordan E. Moore Award, named after the Intel co-founder, which includes a $75,000 prize. Khare told NBC News she invented the device because her batteries always dies too fast. She says her gadget can also last for 10,000 recharge cycles compared to 1,000 cycles for conventional rechargeable batteries. Till now, she has used the supercapacitor to power a LED light. The invention can fit into other portable electronic devices that are proliferating in today's world. She is a high school student in Landbrook High School, California, and now she will use the reward of 50,000 to help her fund for the college education in Harvard University. Her future is bright, and I hope the invention will help other people around the world. I found this article on NBC News titled, Teen's Invention Could Charge Your Phone in 20 Seconds. Thank you.